Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your music on Apple Music in 2023. Apple Music is one of the world's leading music streaming services, so with the right strategies, you can effectively reach a global audience and gain more listeners. So in this tutorial, we'll explore a lot of steps or some essential steps to successfully promote your music on your Apple Music. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser this could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to get started, of course, you'll need to make sure your music is available on Apple Music. So go to the URL section, type Apple music.com. This is not going to be the URL section, but if you type it out, this will take you right away here. So here you can log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, make sure to go and create an account for yourself, and you'll even get a free the free month, the first month, but then you'll have to pay $11 per month. So as we said, now you'll have to distribute your music on Apple Music. So make sure to have your music available on your Apple Music and work with a digital distributor, or you can even use the Apple Music's and the house distribution service. Apple Music for artists to upload your track, albums, or EPS. You can even, example, claim your Apple Music for artist profile. If you logged into your account, go to your profile, and on the settings, you'll be able to claim your Apple Music for Artist profile to gain access to valuable insights and tools. You can customize your artist image, write a compelling bio, and add links to your social media accounts and website, if you have one, as example. Then make sure, of course, to optimize your metadata. So pay attention to your music's metadata, such as song titles, artist name, and genre tags. Accurate and the metadata improves the discoverability of your music on Apple Music. Just keep that in mind. And then, of course, make sure to create, as an example, some Apple Music playlists. So create playlists that feature your own track alongside songs from artists in your genre. And Apple Music playlists are an excellent way to introduce your music to new listeners and engage your existing fan base. Make sure, as an example, even to collaborate with influencers and creators. So reach out to influencers, bloggers, and playlist creators in your niche to feature your music in their playlists. To promote or promote your song. Collaboration can significantly boost your visibility and attract new listeners. Make sure to even leverage your social media channel to direct your followers to your Apple Music profile. Share links to your latest releases, playlists, and artist page to encourage your fans to listen and follow to your Apple Music or your music on the Apple Music. Even you can engage with your audience. This is pretty useful. So interact with your listeners on Apple Music by responding to their comments, messages, building a connection with your audience. Basically, will make them loyal and will make them support you on every music that you have, especially if it's very good. And of course, make sure to release some exclusive content. So offer exclusive content for your most dedicated fans, such as acoustic versions, behind the scenes recording, or unreleased tracks. Exclusive content can drive engagement and attracts some new followers. You can even promote your Apple Music on your websites. So you can utilize your website if you have one. If you don't, of course, you can go and create a website. It's pretty simple to do that. And after that, of course, you can utilize your website to promote your Apple Music profile, add widgets or links that direct visitors to Apple Music page, making it easy for them to listen and follow. You can even, as an example, run some Apple Music ad campaigns. Consider running ad campaigns on Apple Music to promote your latest releases or upcoming events. Targeted advertising can help increase your music visibility to the right audience. So if you want to pay for some ads, of course, it's going to be very good. So you can simply get here, go to a new tab, type Apple Music ads, and hit the enter button. And as you can see here, you'll find Apple Music marketing tools. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll find here Apple offers several marketing tools that help you get your music out to the world and make it easy to find and listen on Apple Music. You can share a song with a tweet enhance your website with an embeddable player that preview your newest track or album, or use an Apple Music badges across any digital platform. You can, as you can see with Apple Music marketing tool, it's seamless to promote your music using the power of the Apple brand. Assets are available in multiple language. You can so you can connect with audiences around the globe before you use any official Apple badges and branding. Be sure to review like the Apple Music identity guidelines so you'll be aware of everything and you know everything. So make sure to go and read that. And as you can see, the badges and icon will be something like that. So the badges will look like this, and the app icon will be like this. So if you want to use, of course, you can go to the Apple Music Marketing tool as an example. And of course, from there, you'll be able to search for song or album that you want to promote. It's going to be yours for you. If applicable, you can add your affiliate token to the affiliates field on your content page. You can scroll down to the badges and look up sections. Simply choose a color and language for the listen on Apple Music badge, and simply click download, save and add your marketing materials, including press photos, album arts, and more. You can click copy to copy the URL to clipboard on your website to promote it even on your website more. So embedded player will be something like that. As you can see, it will be something like that. People will be able to click on play and hear your music on several websites. You can even go to other people that you know, maybe they have websites, and you can tell them to have those embeddable players on their websites. Of course, you can go and for yourself and fix a price with yourself, how you're going to pay them, and etc. You can even tweet, as an example, 30-second preview track, and a lot of other stuff that you can do from this Apple Music marketing, just simply through the ads. You can, as an example, other than utilizing the Apple Music analytics. So, as an example, as I said, take advantage of the music ads or for artist analytics to gain insights into your audience listening habits and geographic location. You can use this data to refine, as an example, your promotional strategies. After that, make sure, as an example, to collaborate with other artists. So collaborate with other musicians or joint projects or remixes. Cross promotion with fellow artists can introduce your music to a new fan base and expand your reach. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to effectively promote your music on Apple Music in 2023. With a well thought out promotional strategy and this dedication to your craft, you can grow your presence to Apple Music or on Apple Music and reach out a broader audience. So keep creating, engaging with your listeners and exploring new opportunities to share your music with the world. Best of luck with your musical journey, and we look forward to hearing your tunes on Apple Music. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always leave them down below in the comment section. I'll try to come back to them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching again, and now I'm coming back to you in the next video.